paper crafting, diamond painting bright. Glitter spills on every hall and stack. Can't find the floor, but I'm on the right track. At Diana Loves Colors, let's explore. Diana Loves Colors.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thanks for coming today to check out this video. And today I have my incoming swap, and this is the Sweet Treat swap that was hosted by Ursala at Arctic Glam over on Instagram. And my partner was Sandy_521 Lake Street. So your package is here. Thank you, Sandy. And I just have to cut the sides open. I already cut the top. So let's open it up. Ooh, look at the blue tissue. It has silver sparkles in it. That is so pretty. So I'm going to take everything out here and show you these one at a time. So there were 3 requirements. We had to send a pack of stickers, what else? A sweet treat, and an embellishment box that we decorated a sleeve for. So I was looking for a card, but I don't see one, so I'm just going to show you what I pulled out. So this is, these must be the stickers, and she made this bag topper for it. With these puffy stickers with glitter. So let's, I gotta open this because it's stapled. Ow. All right. All right, I'm gonna cut the top of this off because it doesn't want to open for me. That's me. Ooh, these are colorful. And they match your stickers, too. And gumballs and candy. Some cotton candy. A jar of gumballs. Some pops. More pops. Ooh, I like that gumball machine. Ooh, there's even a Christmas one. Gummy bears, jelly beans. There's another cotton candy. A jar of hearts, some chocolates, candy cane, and I don't know what you call those. They look like gelatin cubes, but the colors are very pretty. Thank you, Sandy. All right, so this, I think this might be her embellishment box. Oh, look what I found. Oops, I didn't mean to bump the camera. I like these strawberry candies. Thank you. Ooh, what is this? I'm saving all this tissue, Sandy. Oh, look, a giant pop. You have a whole theme going here, Sandy. Oh, wow. Some more strawberry candy. Okay, so this is her embellishment box. All right, let me move this over a little bit. Whoops. So here is her sleeve that she made. And she put some of those stickers like are on her bag topper. And the paper is all candies. Similar to the stickers. Oh, look, it says sweets. That's cool. So she covered the tops in paper. And then she put the alphas on top with an exclamation point. All right, let's start down here at sweet. And I did have a spoon, a spoonula here. So maybe I should bring the camera down so you can see better. Okay, so this one has some like lifesavers, sugary lifesavers in all these different colors. Very pretty. I don't have any of those. And this one has candy cabachons in it. I might not need this spoon. Yeah, look at these. How cute. I sent you some of these too. A couple of these and those. But these I don't have. Very pretty. And in here, oh, we have some blue beads. Look at these. Oh, and I just remembered something I forgot to put in your box. Well, maybe I can send them another time. I had some beads for you, and I forgot to put them in there. These are pretty, and these have a little spacer, and like a spacer and a jump ring already on there. Nice. Oh, I'll have to fix that when after. Oh, look at all of these. We have hearts, gummy bears, and stars. Oh, I don't have any stars. And these colors are really pretty. Very pretty. Ooh, one jumped ship. There we go. Oh, look at all of these pops. And I sent you some of these too, Sandy. But I didn't have many left. I love those. Thank you. Ooh, look at these. These are making me hungry. All different colors. Green and yellow and pink, orange, blue. Very nice. I'll have to fix that. Oh, and she gave me some of the stickers that she used on her bag topper and on her sleeve here. Thank you. I like these stickers. There's jelly beans. All kinds of candies. Oh, thank you so much, Sandy. Thank you for being my swap partner. Ursula, thank you for hosting such another fun challenge. And I'll have them both linked in the description box. You guys can go over and visit them. And I will see you next time with something new.